Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to recover your deleted Instagram account by sending an email to Instagram support. Let's get started. First, open your email app. Tap on Compose to create a new email. In the recipient field, type support@instagram.com. Now, in the subject line, enter Request to reactivate my Instagram account. In the email body, type the following. Dear Instagram support team, I accidentally deleted my Instagram account and would like to request reactivation. Here are my details. Instagram username, at your username. Email linked to the account, your email at example.com. Reason for reactivation, e.g., I didn't mean to delete my account. Please let me know if you need any further verification. I appreciate your help and look forward to your response. Best regards. Your name. Once you've written the email, hit send and wait for Instagram support team to respond. If they need verification, they may ask you for additional details like your account ID. To check for their response, open your Gmail app, go to your inbox, and check for any reply from Instagram. If they ask for confirmation, open the email and reply with the requested details. You can also open Instagram chat support by going to the Help section in the app and selecting Chat with Support. Send a message explaining your issue and provide your Instagram ID and email. Ask them to recover your account as soon as possible. That's it. Your Instagram account should be restored soon. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next one.